Looking for the best VEVOR pallet forks that can handle serious heavy-duty work without breaking your budget? You're about to discover why the VEVOR 4,000 pounds clamp-on pallet forks are transforming how people tackle their toughest lifting jobs, and why they might be exactly what your tractor needs. Mention link to VEVOR product page in description. Built like a tank. The VEVOR pallet forks with 4,000 pounds capacity aren't just another tractor attachment. They're a complete solution for anyone serious about heavy lifting. And let me show you why this particular model stands out from the crowd. First off, these pallet forks measure 60 inches in total length with a 43-inch fork blade. Actually, the construction quality immediately catches your attention. Made from durable square steel tubing, this attachment can handle your everyday heavy-duty needs without bending or breaking under pressure. The stabilizer bar. Here's the thing about most pallet forks. They can shift and separate under heavy loads, which is dangerous. But this VEVOR model includes an adjustable stabilizer bar that extends from 19.5 to 36 inches. The stabilizer bar provides enhanced stability, especially on uneven terrain. Because when you're hauling awkward or oversized loads, you need that extra security. I do appreciate how simple it is to adjust. Just tighten it to your desired width and you're ready for safer operations. Installation. Actually, one of the standout features is how easy these are to install. You don't need special tools or complicated procedures. Simply slide the fork over the cutting edge of your bucket and clamp it down to lock it in place. Just like that, you've transformed your tractor into a versatile lifting machine. The gap between the bucket lip and blade measures 2.95 inches, which accommodates most standard tractor bucket designs. However, it's worth measuring your specific bucket before ordering to ensure proper fit. This quick attachment system saves significant time when switching between different tasks. If you're running a busy operation where efficiency matters, this design choice really pays off. You won't waste time fumbling with complex installation procedures. Real-world performance. Let me be honest about the performance. These forks excel at moving logs, lumber, fence posts, hay bales, and clearing debris. The 4,000 pounds capacity handles most residential and small commercial applications without issue. During testing, I found these forks particularly effective for firewood processing. The 43-inch length provides excellent reach, while the 2-inch height prevents smaller logs from rolling off. You know, that's a practical consideration many people overlook until they're chasing logs across their property. The lightweight design at 87.5 pounds is actually a smart engineering choice. It ensures your tractor's performance isn't compromised while still providing the strength you need. You don't want an attachment that's so heavy it affects your machine's balance or fuel efficiency. Durability. After several months of regular use, the welds remain solid and show no signs of stress cracking. The paint finish holds up reasonably well, though you'll see some scuffing in high wear areas. That's completely normal for working equipment. The square steel tubing design resists twisting better than round tubes, which is crucial when handling unbalanced loads. Actually, this geometric advantage becomes apparent when you're moving irregularly shaped items like brush piles or construction materials. Features you may be looking for: 4,000 pounds weight capacity, adjustable stabilizer bar, quick clamp-on design, durable square steel construction, universal compatibility. Final verdict. After analyzing everything, these VEVOR 4,000 pounds pallet forks deliver solid value for most users. They're not the cheapest option, but they're definitely not the most expensive either. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell.